With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question says that find the median of the following data. We are given this data 41, 43, 127, 99, 61, 92, 71, 58, 57. This is the data we are given, and we are supposed to find out the median of this data. Then the question further says that if 58 is replaced by 85, what will be the new median? So we are asked two questions in this question, and there are two parts of this question. So let's solve the first part where we are supposed to find out the median of this given data. Now, how do we find out the median? First of all, we arrange the given data in the ascending order. So arranging this given data in ascending order, 41 is the least term among these. So 41 will be the first term, because ascending order means increasing order. So the least term or the smallest term comes first. Then there is the term which is greater than the least term, that is 43 is greater than 41 in this data. Then there is 57 which is greater than 43 in this data. Then we will go on and we will have 58. In a similar manner, we can write 61, 71 will be there, then there is 92, then there is 99, and we can easily observe that 127 is the term which is the greatest in this data. Now let's to check whether we have missed out any term or not. Let's count the number of observations here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 terms here. And the data which we were given, in that data there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 terms are there, 9 terms are here. That means no term has been missed out. Now let's write down the number of term here. So number of term is 9. 9 means odd. So there are odd number of observations. Therefore, we know that when the number of observations are odd, then the formula for median that we use is median of the data is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2th observation is our median for the data. Now let's put in the value of n. We have the value of n as 9. So we will have 9 plus 1 divided by 2 at observation, which will give us 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2 is 5th observation. Now 5th observation, starting from, because we will observe this data which has been arranged in ascending order. So this is the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the fifth term in this data that has been arranged in ascending order is 61. So the median of this given data is 61. This is what the first part of the question asks us to find. So the given data has a median of 61. Now there is a change that has been done to this data, and that change is that 58 is replaced by 85. That means 58 is gone. 58 is gone, and in place of it, 85 is coming into the data. 85 is coming into the data. Now the new ascending order, will be 41, 43, 57. 41. Let's write down the data again. So we have, I'm again writing down the data in ascending order, just keeping in mind that 58 should be replaced by 85. So we will have 41, 43, 57, 61, then there is 71, because 58 is not there, so I have removed 58. Now 71, then there is 85, because after 71 the number that is coming is 92, so 85 lies between 71 and 92, so it should be put after 75. So we will have 85, then there is 92. Other terms will be written as it is, 92, 99 and 127. Now median will be again, because the number of terms are same, so median will be again 5th term. Now let's see or observe what is the 5th term. First, second, third, fourth, 5th. Now the 5th term has become 71. So the new median will be 71. So this is the answer to the second part of this question. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.